Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to extract text from pictures on Windows 11 or 10 using PowerTools. You can extract text from any picture, or suppose you are watching YouTube video and you want to copy some text from this video, you can pause, and from here also you can copy the text using PowerTools software that is built by Microsoft, and it is totally free, and I will show you how you can use it. So first open PowerTools application on your PC. After installation, I will leave the link of this article on this video description so you can easily access this software. Just click on this one PowerTools to launch it. After launching it, go to the bottom and select here text extractor. Then you will find here shortcut option to activate this. First you need to enable this one extractor. Just toggle on the switch beside enable text extractor option, and then you can activate your own shortcut keys. By default it is combined with Windows plus Shift plus T. You can choose even shorter shortcut key for activating text extractor of Windows PowerTools. For this, click on this one edit button, and then on your keyboard press the desired key combination, such as I want to use it with Windows plus W keyboard shortcut. For that, I have pressed on my keyboard Windows and W key. After that, click on this one save option. Now you can close the PowerTools application. Now just navigate to open the image or whatever YouTube video where you want to copy the text from images, and after that press your shortcut keys. For my example, it is Windows plus W, and then you will see this one cross icon on your PC. This means PowerTools text extractor has been activated on your PC. Now press from the left mouse cursor and just drag the desired area and leave it. PowerTools application will automatically copy the text in clipboard that you can paste in any application such as Notepad, Microsoft Word document, WordPad, etc. I have just copied it and pasted it. After copying and pasting, review the text you have copied. Like this, you can use PowerTools text extractor software on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, subscribe it. And if you have already subscribed in and love this video, please thumbs up. Bye bye.